This video you're about to watch will help you to identify a lot of opportunities in the market and how you can be able to take advantage of these opportunities to make a lot of money from the market. I'm not promising you that you can have 100% winning rates, but I can confidently tell you that you can make 90% winning rate using this particular strategy. This particular strategy, I've tried it out a lot of time and it has been working pretty much well. My student has been trying it as well and they have been telling me how well this particular strategy is. There's one of my students, Collins, who is actually a newbie trader. He actually tried out these particular strategies and follows step-by-step instructions which I actually give to him, and so far he's able to move his $100 account into $3,000 account within the space of 1 week. So guys, you also can do that. All I want from you guys is to watch this video to the end, follow all the instructions I'm going to be talking about on this video, and be rest assured that you're going to be making a whole lot of money using this particular strategy. This particular strategy is a very simple one and it comes with 3 indicators. So for you to actually plot out your indicators and have a very good and nice chart, what you need to do right here is to come over to your indicators section, and I'm going to be using 2 moving average. I'm going to be using RSI. These are the 2 indicators we're going to be using to make money in the market, guys. So the settings of our first moving average comes with the period of 4, moving average EMA. Right here on the style level, we're going to be making use of yellow color. I'm going to be making use of it on 3 pixels. So when you're done, just click on save. The settings of our second moving average comes with the period of 10, the moving average SMA. Right here on our style level, we're going to be making use of a green color. I'm going to be using it on 2 pixels. So when you're done, just click on save. So right here with our RSI, it comes with the settings of the period of 14. Right here on the style level, we're going to be using 70, 50 and 30. Do ensure you tick all these lines. And not only that, guys, we're going to be using these colors. I'm going to be using them on 1 pixels each. So when you're done, just click on save, guys. This particular strategy, I'm using it on 15 seconds candle time frame. I'm using the normal Japanese candlestick, and do not forget you're going to turn on your enable timer, and I'm going to be using this particular strategy on 1 minute, guys. I'm going to be entering each trade with $500. That is to say, I'll be able to have more than 10 times trade entry using this particular strategy. And I do advise you for you guys to actually use a very good risk to reward. That is to say, if you have $1,000 on your trading account, the most you can risk should be $100. You have 10 times opportunities to go into the market. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, this is how the strategy works. In the case of a buy trade, the first thing you need to consider is that you should be able to see that the market is coming from an upward direction. There has been a downward movement, and immediately you see that, you should be able to look out for a reversal in the market. That is to say, the market is actually reversing in the market. Immediately you are able to identify that, again, you should be able to look out for the crossing over of your 2 moving average. When you're able to identify that, you should be able to come down to your RSI right at this particular point. Do ensure your RSI line is above the middle line of the RSI indicator, just like the way we have it right here. It has to be above it before you can be able to enter a trade. And do not forget, having a stronger candlestick is pretty much very important. I hope you're getting that right. The same thing in the case of a sell trade. You must be able to see that the market is going towards an upward direction and suddenly there is a reversal of the market towards a downward direction. You have to see the crossing over of your 2 moving average. Immediately you're able to see that, confirm it with a strong candlestick to give you a further confirmation that the market is going on a downward direction. Do not also forget that you need to come over to your RSI indicator right here, and you must be able to see that your RSI line is below the middle line of your RSI before you actually place a trade. So guys, this and many more are what I'm going to be talking about on this particular video. That is why I do advise you to watch this video to the end, so that you'll be able to see a lot of things you need to put into considerations before you take a trade. So guys, I'm going to go into the market right away. When I find an opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, we're able to find a very good opportunity for a buy trade. Let's enter this trade quickly right at this particular point, guys. Now the first thing we're able to see right at this particular level is the movement of the market. You can see the market has been on a downward direction, and over time you can see right at this particular level we're able to find a very good direction of our candles. So anytime the candlesticks are not really stronger, please do not place a trade. You must be able to see a strong movement, at least 2 strong candlesticks, giving you very good confirmations before you actually enter a trade. Another thing we also put into consideration right here, guys, is our RSI. Our RSI gives us a direction that the market has actually passed through the average line, which actually giving us a very good confirmation that okay, the market is truly ready and also valid to go on an upward direction. I hope you're getting it right. So this is a very good one. Situation whereby, as you can see right here, guys, we're actually on a very good profit. Situation whereby our RSI is dangling along this line. Please do not enter a trade. You must be able to see it crossing this particular line, and it has to be at least 2 strong candlesticks to confirm the trend before you can be able to enter a trade. Please, whenever the chart is not clear enough, do not force yourself to taking a trade. You need to see a clear chart before you are able to place a trade. I hope you're getting it right. And I do want to remind you guys that you're trading with money, you're not trading with paper. You have to be very conscious with the way you're trading. So I've said initially, you need to see a clear candlestick movement. Anytime you see this kind of choppy candlestick, please do not take a trade. You must be able to see a clear candlestick formation. Immediately you see the crossing over of your 2 moving average, you need to sight at least 2 strong candlestick, confirming it with your RSI. That is to say, the RSI line must be above the middle line of the RSI indicator before you can be able to place your trade. I hope you're getting it right. This is a very powerful strategy. I have to go into the market again to find out opportunities, and when I see, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, right here we are also finding a very good opportunity for a buy trade right at this particular level. You can see right there, I saw this, pretty much lit. I would have actually, taken a trade right at this particular level, guys. Now this is the reasons why I took this trade. As you all can see right at this particular level, the market has been forming on a downward direction, and suddenly there was actually a reversal of the market right here. And you can see right at this particular point, we see the crossing over of our moving average, and also we're able to sight out at least 2 strong candlesticks to giving us a very good confirmation before we actually place our trade. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, as I've always said, you must be able to find out a clear candlestick formations before you can be able to place your trade. Another thing I also put into consideration, guys, is our RSI. Just like what I said initially, you must be able to ensure that your RSI line is above the middle line of the RSI indicator. That is pretty much very important. Reason is because if it is above the middle line of the RSI indicators, it tends to give us a good confirmation that there's not going to be a fake out. Therefore, the market is fully ready to move towards an upward direction. I hope all I'm saying right away is making sense to you guys. Just like what we have right here, you need to find a very clear candlestick formation. If the candlesticks are not really clear, just like what we have right here, is kind of choppy, is inconsistent, please do not take a trade. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, I'm going to go into the market again for another opportunity. When I found, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, I found another good opportunity right here for a sell trade. So I'm going to be entering a selling opportunity right at this particular point, guys. And the reasons why I'm entering a selling opportunity right here is pretty much simple. If you could see the movement of the market has always been on an upward direction for a longer period of time. And the next thing we're able to see right here is the reversal of the candlestick. Another thing we're able to see right here is a bearish engulfing candlestick, which gives us a good indication that the market is fully ready to move on a downside direction. We're able to see the strong candles formation right at this particular point, and also the crossing over of our moving average. Not only that, guys, we're able to come down right here to our RSI right at this particular point, which is actually below the middle line of our RSI indicator, which actually giving us a very good indication that this particular market is going on a downward direction. I hope you're getting it right. So these are the things you need to put into consideration. As you can see right here, guys, we make another good profit right at this particular level, guys. This is a very good and powerful strategy you can use to make money in the market, and also to scale up your money in the market as well, guys. This is a very powerful strategy, as I've said, and if you follow all the instruction I've laid down so far, I guarantee you're going to have a very winning rate. Anytime you open your chart and you find out inconsistency of candles, the candlesticks are kind of choppy, they're not giving you a very good movement, just like what we have right here, please just avoid the market as at that particular time. until you're able to find a clear market formation or a clear candlestick formation before you're able to take a trade. So guys, if you love this video and you'd like to see more of this kind of videos, do ensure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, do ensure you like this video, share these videos to your friends so that they can be able to learn what you're learning from this channel. Guys, if you have any questions, suggestions, do ensure you put it in the comment section. I promise you I'm going to attend to it as soon as possible. So guys, this is where I'm going to stop on this particular video. Till I see you again in another video, guys. Keep trading and bye for now.